People will honestly overlook Zebec and regret not getting in at these levels that we are seeing right now. We're seeing crypto have a little bit of a pump. We're seeing Zebec still a little bit left behind. And I'm going to remind you guys of all the different use cases Zebec has and some of the major partnerships that it does have as well. Listen, Zebec is one of my most bullish holdings, and I think that in the next bull cycle, it is going to do exceptionally well. If you guys are new to this channel, as always, just remember this is not financial advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm only here to entertain, to educate, and to, yeah, guys, basically just help you guys navigate this crypto market because this is my third cycle that I have been in. I've made a lot of money, lost a lot of money. And if I can help you guys avoid doing the, the losing part, then hey, that works with me. With that being said, stay until the end of this video. If you like what you see, consider hitting that subscribe button. And yeah, guys, let's get straight into it. Now I'm going to do something different. I'm going to take a look at this post, this thread here on X. So it goes like this, okay? Do not be scared holding ZBCN. Scared money never read the client list. Let me read it for you. NatPay, which processes over $170 billion annually across 300,000 plus ACH clients, chose Zebec to build next generation payroll, connecting them with FedNow, Wire, and Web3 rails in just one platform. All Unity, the regulated Euro stablecoin firm built by DWS, Flow Traders, and Galaxy, deployed Euro AU payroll pilots on the Zebec infrastructure. So even Europe is using the payrolls that Zebec has established in order to set up this payroll, right? Privy, a Stripe company, wired its wallets into the super app, opening a path to Stripe's payment network. Ask yourself honestly, do institutions processing hundreds of billions of dollars integrate with projects that are about to die? Meanwhile, the numbers compound quietly. 243 enterprise clients, 500 million annual payroll volume, and 21,000 plus cards live in 97 countries. Price tests your patience, partnership tests the thesis. So let's take a look at this kind of graphic over here. Okay, what is Zebec Network? We already know what it is, guys. Real-time payroll and payment infrastructure, enterprise financial infrastructure platform, stablecoin-based payroll and treasury tools, multi-chain payment ecosystem, super app for payroll, cards, and staking. So some of the core use cases is that it does have real-time payroll streaming, right? So if you're an employee, you don't have to wait weeks to months in order for your paycheck to hit. Instead, you can see it being streamed real time. Cross-border payments, treasury and bulk transfers, stablecoin payroll and disbursements, crypto debit cards, merchant payments, staking and governance, and deep in payment infrastructure. Some of the highlights that we already read before. Some of the key catalysts that we've seen roll out just recently is the super app, stellar global payroll rollout, Euro AU stablecoin adoption, NatPay payroll integration phases, Stripe payment connectivity, Zebec utility and staking expansion, ZPIN merchant payment network. Let's just take a look at some of the major partners. You have Stellar, MasterCard, All Unity. You have Privy, MoneyGram, Coinbase, Stripe, Circle, Solana Ventures. All some of these guys are literally invested into the project. So you think invested as in, not buying the token, but invested as in they helped make it into what it is today. So let's take a look at the markets right now. We can see that Bitcoin and Ethereum are having a little bit of a pump. You can see in the last 24 hours, the time we're recording it is down a little bit, right? Just hovering under 65,000. And Ethereum is just above 1900, just barely able to hold above it. Obviously, guys, I do want it to hold. The entire market right now is about to get into neutral territory. And I think that they just added this sentiment chart over here because you can see here, we have bullish sentiment. That's what it's looking like right now. That's interesting. They never had this before. Bitcoin sitting at 2.95, Ethereum sitting at 3.16. And the honest truth, the God honest truth, guys, is that whatever crypto you're taking a look at, it is not going to pump without Bitcoin and Ethereum pumping first. Okay, so the first thing that we need to happen is for the entire crypto market to reverse, which is something that I've been repeatedly saying time and time again. However, that does not mean that there are not any opportunities in the market right now. Matter of fact, you've actually called some bangers inside of my inner circle community in the last couple days. If you guys want to be a part of that and you don't want to miss out on all of these plays that we call, you need to join the inner circle. Inside of this, you get my buy and sell alerts, exclusive content, how to navigate this crypto market yourself, how to find these hidden gems, and what red flags to avoid in cryptos when you guys are navigating. Not just that, guys, you also get weekly live streams that I host every single Wednesday inside of there. Matter of fact, I do need to go live inside of that very, very soon. We'll make sure that happens just in a little bit. But guys, in the last week alone, We called some plays on the Robinhood chain that have done a 4x at peak. We've called one that has done already a 7x and another one that's gone up just for 50%, which at the end of the day is still a W. There's some people in there that have crushed it that are doing really well. And if you guys looked at this entire trailer here, you can see there's someone in there that made 20K in a month, 25K in 2 months. Another person in there that made turned his last $10 into over 5K in just 3 weeks of trading. Just following the signals. Come join, guys. Obviously, past profits don't guarantee future results. Let's take a look at Zebec right now, sitting at 217 million in the month, down 20%. A lot of cryptos. I've actually seen a select few that are actually up on the monthly, but a lot of cryptos are down. Volume is up 1.74%. Let's see what the people are saying right now. Super app, let's make some business and grow this thing. The wait is over. And again, if you don't know what they're referring to, it's this right over here. The wait is finally over. The Zebec super app is finally now available on iOS and Android. Access your Zebec card, stream roll payroll, send and receive payments, stake ZBCN, and manage assets across 10 supported chains, all in one app. Now, the thing that I love about the super app, guys, is that it takes every single aspect of the entire ecosystem and it puts it inside one place that makes it accessible to your everyday retail investor as well. So if you guys want to go ahead and check out what Zebec is actually building behind the scenes and not just buy into the crypto token, you may as well go ahead and check out their product, guys, their Zebec super app. Let's see what Crypto Empress had to say. Bullish, let's go. You can see she's gone ahead and downloaded that. Super awesome. Great chat with the guys from Zebec Global just now. After conversation with them and direct feedback from the Zebec team, I can assure you that we are in good hands with our investment. Not everything makes sense right now from the outside looking in, but if you peel back the layers, it's all falling in line the way that it has for the project to be successful long term. There should be an update coming soon addressing everything. Keep stacking and stay positive in the meantime. Now, I do believe this was in regards to some of the allegations with the tokenomics, that the burn mechanism and stuff. Now, I don't have too much information about it, guys, but we will just have to see and wait until we could see any news roll out from Zebec Global themselves. And this is exactly what I was referring to, because Zebec previously stated that as card usage grows, ZBCN would be burned based on monthly card spending up to the stated program limit, which I believe was around 500,000, to help increase scarcity. So my question is simple: why would anyone vote against the burn of the tokens? I'm not here to blindly agree with everything. I'm here to ask the hard questions, because that's what responsible investing looks like. Now, again, we don't have the full answers to this, so I'm going to remain optimistic and going to remain to see what Zebec rolls out with and how they address these issues here. Again, guys, we're in the early stages of a lot of cryptos and we're in a bear market, and this is the time that you want to be building. So that being said, just keep in mind, I am not a financial advisor, right? I'm only here to entertain and to educate you guys. And if that has worked, then hey, amazing. Now, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. God bless you. Jesus loves y'all. Take care and peace out, guys.